going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Lee Vlogs. It's currently the night before my big move to California, where I will be driving the Corvette all the way across the country, documenting the whole thing. But I thought, hey, while I'm still here at my current residence, or as you can see, it's pretty empty, give you guys a quick little house tour, since you guys kind of saw it briefly throughout the vlogs.
That should bring it.
Pretty much this was the second room I was in. So when I first started the vlog, if you don't remember, I was actually in this room right here, much smaller. That was when I had roommates, and then after my roommates moved out, I moved all the way over here into this bigger room for about 2 months. But yeah, this is this room, walk-in closet, bathroom. And so back into the main hallway. This is the bathroom actually shot. In the first vlog, this was the first shower scene. So yeah, this bathroom right here, that's me. Moving on, we're gonna go downstairs. This is my laundry room. This is where I do all my laundry. Right here, not much of a room, but this is where all the laundry happens. Walking downstairs. If I can turn on one more light. So this is the front entrance. This is the door that I would always usually start a vlog possibly walking out of. And then from here, this is the main hallway right here. It's another bathroom right here. Nothing really happened with this bathroom. It was really never used that much by myself. Moving on. This is the main living room. There was a pool table here, but I did destroy it because the actual homeowners that own this house got hardwood flooring all around the whole house, so they wanted me to get rid of the pool table. I did, destroyed it and put it in the backyard, but it's no longer there. Actually got taken to the dump. Long story short. But anyway, yeah, this is the kitchen. It looks like a mess right now, I'm sorry. This is, yeah, so you guys can get a look. This is where I did the unboxing video of the DJI Mavic right here. So, yeah. I missed anything else to show you guys the backyard while we're here? Can't really see too much, but this is the backyard. Not too much light, but maybe I'll show it to you guys in the morning. But yeah, that's pretty much the house tour. I'll give you one more quick look at the garage, but you guys have seen that a million times, so this is the garage. If I can get some extra light, there you go. This is the garage. So let me prove to you guys that I really am going on a journey across the country in my Corvette real quick. So this isn't a lie. All my stuff is packed. We're ready to go. So in the morning, I'll start that journey. This is going on, guys. So by now, I just probably showed you a quick house tour of the house. And I'm currently on the road trip right now. I'm actually stopped in Alabama. Pretty much, yeah, just stopped to get some gas and pee, because I gotta pee like a racehorse. Weather's not too bad, actually. Good thing about me leaving today is that I actually escaped a really bad snowstorm in Virginia. So all my homies back in VA, may the force be with you, but I know you're going through it right now. So I just peed. Anyways, the route that I'm taking is Interstate 10, so it pretty much takes me through the bottom portion of, or actually I don't even know what it's called, maybe the handle of Florida. And then from there, is that guy peeing? Like that guy's just peeing outside. Anyways, it takes me through the handle of Florida, through Alabama, Houston, parts of Arizona, which I plan on going to the Grand Canyon once I get there. Hopefully that all pans out and works out pretty well. But yeah, I'm trying to stay away from all the crazy weather that's happening in the central part of the United States. So, but as you can see, the car is pretty fucking packed. You really can't see too much out the back window. My whole front seat is done. So yeah, this is how I'm living for the next couple of days. It's fun times though. I'm actually about to change my shoes because driving in these Adidas, they're really tight on my feet. and it's not too comfortable. You kind of just want to take them off as you're driving. So I think I'm going to switch over to my boots because they hug my ankle a little bit more, and they're not as tight. Like the Adidas, it's like a sock feeling, so my feet get a lot more sweatier, I guess, but the boots will probably, they won't sweat as much. So that's why I'm switching over. Might not make sense to you guys, but it makes sense to me. So here we go. I'm gonna get some gas, switch the boots, and then we're gonna head back on the road. So I just tried to swipe my card at this gas station and it did not work. So we're gonna go next door to this other gas station real quick. Hopefully it works over there. Don't got time for this. Look at the rims. So quick gas update. As you can see, I'm averaging about 25 miles per gallon in the Vette right now. Now I have been driving in eco mode. So eco mode, basically it shuts down 4 of the cylinders, so it runs like a V4, and it's not nearly as aggressive sounding. Like as right now, you can probably hear my car doesn't sound like anything. Normally it sounds very ferocious. But right now, it's in complete bitch mode, which I'm okay with, because I am going across the country and I'm not trying to impress anybody at fucking all. So this is how much gas I have left. So a little less than a quarter of a tank. My fuel range is at 123 miles with a little less than a quarter of a tank. I'm gonna fill it up, show it to you guys again so you can kind of see how good the fuel economy is on this vehicle when you actually use like the eco mode and push it to its limits. So I am back now and we have filled up the tank. So let's go ahead and turn on the car and see what kind of range we got now. So, yep, a full tank, average about 452 miles, full tank. So it's not too bad, it's not too bad. All right, so before I hop on the road, I did want to wish you guys a happy New Year's and a Merry Christmas. I know I'm super late, so hopefully you guys haven't fell off your New Year's resolutions by now. But real talk, thank you guys for supporting me. Within a year, the channel grew to a little over 500 subscribers, so that's a big fucking deal in my eyes, and it means a lot to me. So thank you guys. Hopefully you guys got all the things you wanted for Christmas and your New Year's resolutions are still going strong. With that being said, I'm going to probably catch up with you guys at my next stop, probably within like the next video or something like that, because this video will probably be roughly around 10 minutes long with the whole house tour and everything. But until next time, Lee Vlogs out.
That should bring it.